Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the what are the tablets and what are the medicines which are going to use it for immunity boosters and to curb COVID virus. So friends, today we are going to see the companies which are manufacturing those things also. Friends, I already done a video about remedizer manufacturing companies in India, and today we are seeing about vitamin tablets. Friends, so many pharmacists and doctors suggesting to increase our immunity to take vitamin tablets is also one of the main thing during this COVID crisis. So if you see here, going forward, this Fermenta Biotech Limited, formerly known as DIL, is one of the largest manufacturer of vitamin D3, friends. So that's why I am thinking this stock will get somewhat benefit, friends. And the company having a good view among this vitamin D3s and nutrition and everything. So in my view, keeping this one in our portfolio will give short-term returns. So whenever it increases to 10 to 20%, then we can sell it and come out of it. So just short term. And next one is vitamin C, which is helpful for immunity booster. It is like a immunity booster, friends. See here, if three vitamins that are best for boosting your immunity, in which you are going to see vitamin C is one of the biggest immunity system booster of all. So I am expecting that vitamin C will be the game changer in all type of vitamins. So we are going to see the vitamin C manufacturing and highest amount of market share in India goes to Limis. Friends, I asked so many of our friends related to pharmacists. They said about Limis is the best chewable vitamin C tablet in India, and it came from Abbott Pharma. So see here, Abbott manufactures this in India, and GSK having a product vitamin C in India, but they sold this to Koya Pharmaceuticals, friends. If you see here, uh, Abbott had introduced a new product which is Limis Plus in March last year, which includes amino acids also. So if you see this, this is the uh, only thing they done, and they increased the price also. And if you see, for 14 tablets 15 rupees is Limis. For this Limis Plus, they taken like 150 rupees for 14 tablets. See here, 14 rupees for 15 tablets, and they increased 60 rupees for 15 tablets, which contains amino acids also. So this is one of the benefited company with this vitamin C throughout India's. And next one is Cipla. And friends, see here Cipla, which has a Cipcol 500 mg strip, which contains vitamin D3. And if you see images here, see here, this is a Cipla's 500, which is a mineral and nutritional supplement. I am thinking this is also will give good sales, friends, in this COVID. And see here, this one also calcium with vitamin D3 tablet. Cipcol 500. This one Cipla. Here Cipla you can see here. In this here you are seeing. See here Cipla. So, Cipla also manufacturing a remedizer for COVID patients, but the prices are decreased with the government intervention with a high demand and to increase production. I am thinking pharma shares will get good benefit. Among these are the few companies which I taken. So GSK didn't have vitamin C present in their basket. Why? Because they sold their vitamin C to Koya, I think. Koya Pharmaceuticals. So here, see here, Koyi Pharmaceuticals. GSK has sold its iconic brand of vitamin C tablets, Celine, to Koyi Pharmaceuticals. These are the few companies, friends. So, friends, this is my research regarding these vitamin tablets. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.